Tough. Don't trade today until you see this analysis and learn from this analysis. Average 001 is here. Kindly let me break down the market and let's see what the market has for us. Today is the second day of the week. Let's see what the market is printing for us. And you already know. Good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name and you already know what we are doing. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate to all of that. My video just pop up into your screen. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to what to learn from the next opportunity we are dropping we are the next video we are dropping next. So before we go to the chart, let's quickly see what the chart has for us and let's see what the market has for us today. And you can see some market, some let's see what let's see. Before we go into the chart, you already know we go to our forex policy to see maybe there is what there's high impact news so that we can stay away from the market 15 minutes before the news and 15 minutes we can get back to the market 15 minutes or 30 minutes after the news see after we see a liquidity. My news does not create a what it does not create trend, it just continue the trend. So this is what we are having today. There is no high impact news on there is no high impact news on what on USD. So definitely let's move to our chart. Let's see what the chart has for us. You already know we started from gold, we started from sliver. This is sliver. This is what the sliver has for us. But from daily time frame, since we have plotted our key level on weekly and monthly on Monday, for the many days in the week, we started from what daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This is the demand that we are expecting the market to push the market up, and you can see what the market is doing. Market is in between the swing high and the swing low. So what this is the recent trend we are seeing on what on day time frame. After plotted our key level, we see this is the recent trend we have seen. So let's move to 4 hours, which is our analysis time frame of 4 hours. This is 4 hours time frame. This is the what this is the market that puts the market down and market broken this place. This is our last break of structure. We are expecting the market to push up, but market broken it turn broken this demand zone, and this demand zone is going to be a what is going to turn to what is going to turn to this is a demand zone and it has turned to breaker block. So we are expecting the market to come back to this breaker block before we can see a push down, before we can see a push down to the nearest key level. This is the nearest key level I'm expecting the market to touch. This is the nearest. This is the nearest key level I'm expecting the market to touch. You can see this is the nearest key level here. So let's see what the market has for, and you can if we can feel this nearest key level, you can see we have what we have FEG here. So definitely the market is coming back here. You can see this is the last break of structure and we are having FEG here. These are liquidity. So definitely the market is coming back there. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm still expecting the sell. So the buy does not anticipated yesterday. You can see the buy does not anticipated yesterday. So we just change our this coordinate to this sell limit. Seriously. We are selling, we are no more buying again. This is sediment. You can see on 4 hour time frame. Let me analyze this 4 hour time frame for you. Since we have plotted our swing high and swing low on daily time frame, and you can see what the market is doing in between. But this is the nearest supply. This is the supply zone that's pushed this market down and it has turned towards it has turned to support. And this is the recent trend. This is the break of structure to uptrend. This is the break of structure to uptrend also. This is the break of structure, and this is the last break of structure, and this is the demand. We are expecting the market to mitigate it to continue the buy, but market broken this demand, and this demand has turned towards breaker block. We are expecting the market to mitigate this breaker block and push it down. So because we are still expecting a downtrend. So let's see what this is what we are having. So let's change the coordinates. So let's change Let's change the container to sell. This is our what? This is our take. No, I'm looking for the entry. This is our entry. This is our entry. Our stop trade is also a stop loss. Also, let me put it in front so that you know be saying that what is stop loss. So what is stop trade? Is the same thing as stop what? As stop our stop trade is the same thing as stop loss also. So me, I'm just calling it stop trade since we are doing that plotted we are doing that put the stop trade. So let's find our stop trade. This is our stop trade. So now we are selling the market. Let's now do our take profit. So to all my subscriber, please apply proper risk management too. Apply proper risk management. This is what we are having to. This is what we are having. No, 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 no. Control. See, this is what we are having. So this is what we are having. Now take profit 57.1. Our what? Our entry is 1213, while our what? Our stop loss will be 73.77. So this is what we are having. We are selling the what? We are selling the market from this zone. This is breaker block. So we are selling the market from this breaker block. So we guys be patient. Let's move to 1 hour. This is 1 hour. You can see there, and if we check this opportunity very well, there is weekly key level there. So there is weekly key level there. So definitely we gas wait for this opportunity. So see, let's just wait for this opportunity and let's see what the market is going to do for this opportunity. So I'm still expecting the sell from here. So let's see what the sell is going to do. Seriously, they said it's going to happen. They said it's going to happen. So if you can see on 1 hour time frame, there is our weekly key level here. So this is weekly key level. This weekly key level is going to push the market down. So let's just be expecting in the market from this to sell the market down. So let's be expecting the sell. This is what I'm expecting on Sliver. Let's move on 15-minute time frame. We just be seeing opportunity on 15-minute time frame because this is what the market is giving us on 1 hour time frame. The market is giving us sell because this is the last break of structure here, and you can see market restated the zone. So definitely the buy is valid. We just have to we just wait for the market to continue the buy to end the buy. After the market end the buy, definitely we are expecting the sell. Let's go to 15-minute time frame if we can see the opportunity to buy for the buy. This is what the market is giving us. And if you want to buy the market, you can just come back here because this is an FEG for us. We can just come back to this FEG to buy the market. It's for me if you want to buy the market, just come back to that FEG on what? On 15-minute time frame. Let's see 30-minute time frame. That is, and if you also come back, just come back to this FEG and what? 15 minutes time frame is giving us the FEG. This is the FEG 15, and you can see there is what the skill level here also on 15 minute time frame. So definitely you can just wait for this FEG here and continue the buy. So this is the buy I'm seeing on 15 minute time frame. So this is what I'm seeing on Sliver. So this is what 15 minutes about the general overview of the market for bigger time frame. What is giving us a downtrend. While on 1 hour time frame, we redefine it because there's FEG up here. So let's be expecting the downtrend. While on 15 minutes, let's just continue. If you want to continue the buy, so let's just continue. Let's the buy just continue, and the buy will soon end. Definitely the buy will soon end. So let's just be focused. Let's just be focused. This is what I'm asking on Steve. Let's move to good. Let's see what good has for us from daily time frame also. This is what is going to This is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is the demand we are expecting the market to push. But as for me, I'm still expecting the market to come to this monthly key level. This monthly key level is the one that's going to push the market up. So let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the break of structure. You can see the break of structure 4 hours gave us. This is another break of structure. So this is another break of structure. I can see this is the supply that gave us this break of structure. So we are having FEG over here. You can see the FEG. So I'm expecting the market to mitigate this FEG before I can see a sell. The market is sell. Oh. I'm still selling this market. I'm still selling this market because I'm seeing FEG here, but our stop loss will be above it because our stop loss will be too large. Because there's the weekly key level over here. You can see the weekly key level. You can see the weekly key level. So this is what I'm saying. This is another break of short on 4 hour time frame, but this one will serve as our what? As our support. This will serve as our liquidity, which the market is going to sell because we have FEG here before we can see a downtrend. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to redefine this entry. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the last break. This is the last FEG 1 hour gave us. You can see the one FEG 1 hour gave us. So let's be expecting the market from this 1 hour time frame to down. And this is where we are taking our take profit on this demand zone because this is where the market push it up. This is the liquidity, but this is the demand zone. This is where the buyer started the market. So let's be expecting the market to come back here again. So this is what I'm seeing on 4 hour time frame. We are still expecting the sell. Let's be expecting the sell more. If the market does not expect this FE, the market will going to mitigate this supply zone because all this one will serve as liquidity trend line. But we don't know because as for me, the mark if the market let's just use our Fibonacci retracement. These are Fibonacci retracement from year to year. So this FEG may serve us sell again. This FEG may serve us sell because market is in what is in this is this I'm sorry. Market is in this premium zone. Yeah, I think this is a premium. Premium is up, discount is down. So this is a premium zone. So definitely market is coming what? Is coming down. So let's change this our coordinates to sell. Let's change this coordinate to sell. These are our entry points. Copy. No, 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 no. Our entry point, copy. These are what? These are our stop trade or stop loss, because before we are the one that puts the what? The stop trade there. So if we are we stop trade means that if the market reach this place, so definitely help me close it. So definitely we are the one that what? We are the one that put the the one that set it there. That's why I say stop trade. So we are not allowed to command it that if the market reach this place, will help me stop the trade. Oh. That's why I'm using stop trade. So this is what is happening. Let me confirm. It. Our entry 44.39. Our take profit 39.92. Our stop trade is what? 46.06. So this is our coordinate. So definitely let's be expecting our another sell. So I'm expecting the sell from here. This way I'm expecting the sell. So our stop loss will be large. So definitely, because let's our stop loss be large. So let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30, and then please apply proper risk management, please. So apply proper risk management. You are still expecting the sell. The sell is coming to this demand. Let's reach US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us. This is US 30. This is what the US 30 has for us. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. You can see, but market did not break it with full body candle. Definitely, let's see what the market is having for us now. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is doing. So we should be patient. This serve as what? Serve as a resistance. You can see this is our serve as a resistance. So let's just see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying to do here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame, because this is what the market is giving us. On daily time frame, this is our swing and this is our swing low. All these ones are liquidity. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. My 4 hour time frame is serve as this liquidity may serve as liquidity set for me. It may serve as liquidity set for me. Let me change this color. So this is a liquidity set. Seriously. Let's move to 1 hour time frame and see what the market is trying to do on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is trying to do on 1 hour time frame. So this is not a valid break of structure. This is a liquidity swept. But let's just see if the market can come back to this FEG and respect this FEG. You can see the FEG. We are still on 4 hours time frame. This is the FEG 4 hours is giving us now. So let's see if the market is going to respect this 4 hour time frame. Let's say here. Let's see 1 hour time frame to see what the market is giving us. As for 1 hour time frame, the market is giving me this the vibes. Because I guess on daily time frame, after product our swing, this is a liquidity swept as for me. But let's move to 1 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. What we can expect now is buy because there's FEG here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the FEG market gave us. So let's be expecting the market to mitigate this FEG. After mitigating the FEG, let's see if the buy is going to happen. But as for me, I'm going to wait for the market to print the opportunity before we can take anything. Seriously. Seriously, our entry, this is our entry now. Our stop trade and our take profit. And see what the market is doing. So let's just be patient. So let's move to 15-minute time frame if you can see opportunity on 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, there is no opportunity yet. Let's be expecting the market to come to this FEG before we can see any opportunity. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. So let's just be patient. Let's be patient. So this is what I'm seeing. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. This is UJ. For monthly time frame, from a weekly time frame, this is what we are having. But from a monthly time frame, this is our key level. This is key level on monthly time frame. This is our key level on monthly time frame. So let's be expecting if market can come to this key level. So on daily time frame, this is our swing high, this is our swing low, this is our recent break of structure. You can see these are our recent break of structure. But market may serve this as liquidity. Come back to this monthly time frame because this monthly time frame has what FEG. So let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. On 4 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure we are having here. Market give us change of character, and after the market give us change of character, we have FEG over here. This may serve as liquidity for me. This may serve as liquidity for me. Seriously, it may serve as liquidity for me because this is the FEG we are having. So after this FEG, I'm still expecting what? A sell. Let's see the sell if the sell is going to happen. So before we can sell, let's be expecting a buy. This is what the market is giving us. So the gas move to 1 hour time frame to see the opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of social 4 hours gave us. And this will serve as liquidity for me. After this serve as liquidity, this is the way we are seeing the FEG. You can see the FEG here. You can see the FEG here, and this is what we are having. This is the break of structure, and this is the FEG we have here. Markets like to sweep the liquidity before continuing the trend. That's why. That's why. This is break of internal break of structure, sorry. Internal break of structure, and we are having a FEG over here. This is what we are having here. So let's be expecting a sell. Let's see, I'm still expecting a sell. Let's move to 50-minute time frame. After market mitigated this FEG, so let's be expecting a sell. It's the FEG. So let's see what the FEG is going to give us. So let's be expecting a sell from this FEG. Market should come back here. This is what I'm looking at. I'm still expecting the sell into this 4 hour zone. Let's go for our killer. Let's move to EU. Let's see what EU has for us. Sorry for that. I haven't write these coordinates out. Test. So I'm still selling. Let's go and find this opportunity of sell on 50-minute time frame since we plotted the 50 of 50-minute time frame. This is this is what I'm looking at. Entry, copy, or stop trade. This is what the market is giving us. So we guys be patient and take profits. Apply proper risk management. You can see we are still studying the market from here again. Let's see if the market is coming down. So because on 4 hour time frame, this is what the market 4 hours is still giving us. I'm still expecting this let this just happen into this zone. After this zone, stability we are buying. So let's see what the market has for us on EU. This is EU from daily time frame. Also, this is what the market is giving us on daily time frame. These are our swing high, these are our swing low. As for me, these are serve as what resistance because these are serve as support because this is a market liquidity shares. Market share this liquidity on this supply, this recent supply has not given us break of structure. So it is valid when it gave us what break of structure. Definitely, this place have served us as serve as support, as level for us as well as support level for us. So let's just be focused and see what we have. This is what the market have, and this is the key level on monthly time frame. So let's just this is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is the break of structure. So let's let's move to this is supply that give us this break of structure. You can see this is supply that give us this and this is the supply that show the liquidity but has not give us break of structure. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the last. This is the supply that push the market down here. You can see the supply because this was this break of structure here. And let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what we are having in 4 hour time frame. And this is what we are having. This is break of structure here. And this is what this is supply zone here. You can see the break of structure. This is break of structure here. This is change of character here because this is break of structure. Break of structure. And we still have another break of structure over here. You can see the break of structure over here. Definitely, we guys be patient. So I'm still expecting the market to mitigate this supply before I can see if sell seriously. But let's just read what the market is giving us now. This is what the market is giving us now. As for me, this is break of structure here. This is another break of structure here also. You can see market mitigated here. And let's move to 1 hour time. Let's move to 1 hour time frame and see what the market is doing on 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is doing on 1 hour. After market sweep this liquidity, so I'm still expecting the buy on this EU. The EU is giving us the vibe of buy. You can see the FEG here. This is the first FEG. This is our second buy here. Take profit to be here. But you can see the EU is giving me sell, but as I see it now, I'm seeing the vibe of what buy also. I guess let me just finish this EU. Let me just finish this EU before I can say we are buying from here also. So let's just we are buying the entry. These are our entries. This is a buy. This is a buy market. I take profits. So if you want to help me, I need help. Oh, seriously. For those of you that used to help, please help me, help your brother out. And don't forget to use proper risk management also. Sorry for that. I'm just trying to find my edge. You can see, I'm trying to find my edge in this industry, and which means I believe so that I'm going to find the edge soon, soon seriously. Our entry is what 1.15. We are mistaken. We have mistaken. Our entry is 1.159 and our take profit 1.165 and our stop trade is 1.157. So we are correct now. So this is our entry. This is our entry. If you want to entry for this second, so because market is coming to this supply, it's only this supply that can decide maybe we are coming down or you know, all this one will serve as liquidity. So this will serve as liquidity. Let's see the opportunity from here. Let's see. Let's go back to GU. Let's see what GU is trying to give us. Let's see the vibes of GU also. This is what GU is giving me, and I said the market is here, but I'm expecting the market to show this liquidity here. You can see I'm expecting the market to sweep this liquidity here, but we don't know what the market is doing. And you can see what the market is doing now. This is another what break of so market may just on 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is trying to give me on 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure here because this is the high, and this is what the market is giving us. If you can see what the market is giving us, you can see that this is a liquidity zone here. And let's just see if we will actually retracement if this market. So there is a key zone here. Also, market is where this key zone. This is a 50% retracement. Seriously, you can see this is a 50% retracement. This is a 50% retracement. So let's take the buy from there also. This is our FEG here. So this is a FEG. So let's expect another buy from here before we can sell. So I'm still expecting the buy from here to the nearest FEG. You can see this is what the market is doing for us to this FEG. On 4 hour time frame, there is FEG here. All this one will serve as a liquidity because this no did not break this this lower low. So let's just be expecting the market to come to this FEG before we can see a huge uptrend. So definitely, sorry, this is what the market is giving me. This is an FEG on 1 hour time frame, and you're having our stop loss will be here. So let's see, let's put our coordinates out. Let's write our coordinates out. Let's write that our coordinates. Hey, sorry, a mistake. I'm sorry, let me go and copy the opportunity back. So I'm coming. Let's go back to EU. Our entry, this is our entry now. Our take profits, these are our take profits now. And our stop trade, this is our stop trade now. So this is our stop trade now. Let me put it to where you see it very well. This is where we can see it very well. So they are buying the market from here again. Let's see if the market is going to buy. All this one is serve as liquidity to go to market to go to that FEG. So if the market doesn't if the market is coming to this FEG to respected it. So this is what I'm seeing on GU back. Let's move to let's move to UJ. This UJ is just giving us from daily time frame. These are our swing high. You can see the swing high, and these are our swing low. Market is in between the both. So these are key level. You can see we have weekly key level here, and we have daily swing high over here. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to redefine the market. I'm still expecting the market to come down. I'm still expecting the market to come down to this zone before we can see an uptrend again. Before you can put say uptrend, see you can see what the market is doing. All this one are just liquidity share. All this one are lucky are liquidity market is just playing around. So this is what the market is trying to do. This is what the market is trying to do. So this are serve as what? This are serve as resistance image. On daily time frame, we have liquidity up and we have liquidity down. These are liquidity up here. These are our resistance and it serve as liquidity up. So market may sweep it up. Market may sweep the liquidity up before coming down. So definitely this is what I'm on 4 hour time frame. This is what I'm still having. Let's see if the market can touch this so this monthly key level up here that will serve as what liquidity sweep. This monthly key level. You can see that we have as liquidity so before we continue before pushing it down. So this is what I'm seeing. This is where I'm buying, but I'm expecting. Let's see if the liquidity can set up before you can see a market down a dump down here. So this is a monthly key level that is expected. So I think market is coming to this monthly key level before you can expect a downtrend. So this is a liquidity. So there's FEG here. Market may show this liquid FEG, give us another uptrend, give us 1:3 before we consider down. So let's move to GJ. This is GJ. This is what is happening on GJ from daily time frame. This is what we are having on the day. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. This is the demand we are expecting the market. So, but this is what the market is giving us again. You can see there's weekly key level here. There's weekly in which this weekly key has already pushed it down. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what the market is giving us so far. This is what the market is giving us for 4 hour time frame. This is our last break of structural market give us change of character here. So this has turned to support. This has turned to what our supply key level, but you can see this is a liquidity straight market straight this liquidity. So let's see if the market if this supply can push the market down again. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is giving me on 1 hour time frame. As for me, this is a liquidity straight market, and this is a what? This is a market structure shift. This is a market structure shift. So this is a analysis reported yesterday, and markets give us this shows another profit. So we don't know what the market this year is key level here, and there's what there's this is a liquidity for me. There is key level here because this is the last break. You can see the break of structure. So I'm expecting the market to come to this demand to this other block. This is another block, 1 hour time frame. This is another block on 1 hour time frame, and there's what is FEG. So all this one may serve as what as liquidity for us. and we are having break of structure here. This is a break of structure here, internal break of structure. And as for me, this is a liquidity shift. This is a liquidity shift market. This is a liquidity shift market. So let's see. I'm still expecting a downtrend. So let's move to 50-minute time frame if we can. If we want to buy the trend, this is 50-minute time frame, but we plotted the opportunity on 1 hour time frame, abi. This is 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 50-minute time, 5-minute time frame. This is 5 minutes. There is no opportunity yet, but on what? 50-minute time frame, this is a liquidity straight market. So let's be expecting another trend. I'm still expecting the market to come down. I'm still expecting the market to come down. Seriously, I'm still expecting the market to come down. So this is where I will be expecting the market to come down. This place. So this other block here. So this is the perfect entry I'm expecting the market. So let's be expecting the market. This is what I'm expecting on GJ. So this is what the market is giving us. So let's see BTC. Let's see what BTC has for us. Maybe in crypto generally, and crypto is what BTC and what Ethereum. Let's see what they ask for us. This is what they are having for us from daily time frame also. From daily time frame, this is their swing high here. You can see the swing high here, and this is the swing low here. But this is a liquidity straight market here. So I'm still expecting a uptrend. I'm still expecting a uptrend. I'm still expecting a uptrend. This is the what? This is for our supply. This will serve as our sub resistance now because I'm expecting the market to come to this key level. This this monthly key level because we are still have FEG here. Let's move to daily. Let's move to let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame, and this is what I'm expecting in the market. This is the last break of structure. This will serve as liquidity. After serving as liquidity, I'm still expecting the market to come to this demand zone. So let's see what the market is up to. Let's see what the market is up to. Let's see what the market is up to. Back to this zone again. This has already served as what resistance, and resistance also means liquidity also, and there's what the FEG up here. You can see the FEG, you can see the FEG. Let's see if the market can push it. This demand can push it up again. Let's see if this demand can push it up again. This is what I'm expecting. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see the opportunity here on 1 hour time frame also. So this is the last break of structure 1 hour gave us. And this is the other block here on 1 hour time frame. Let's see what this other block is trying to do. And we have FEG here. Let's see if this market is going to respect this 1 hour FEG to continue the up. But if it does not respect it, if does not it does not respect it, definitely market is coming to this 4 hours demand. This is the recent opportunity market just created on 1 hour time frame. So let's join this 1 hour time frame opportunity. So this is what I'm seeing. So let's move to interior. Let's see what interior has for us. This is what interior has for us from daily time frame. This is our swing high here, and this is our swing low here. And this is the last week for structure. This is what this is monthly key level here. Let's be expecting the market to come to this monthly key level. So let's see what we can expect on 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is market. This is a break of structure. You can see the break of structure, and this is what the market is giving us. This will serve as another block inside demand because this is the demand. So this is the way the buyer started buying the market. So this is other block inside demand, and we still have another break of structure here. We have break of structure here, and this break of structure we must be careful. The reason why I say we must be because it has FEG. You can see the FEG it has. So let's do it 50%. If you use our Fibonacci retracement, so let's be expecting the market to come to this opportunity. So this is where I'm expecting the market to come. FEG. Oh, there's FEG here. So this way, let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the recent trend on 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is where the market is expected on 1 hour time frame. So let's just see if the market can come to this FEG before we can see a huge uptrend. Seriously, this is what I'm looking for on what. This is what I'm looking for to this monthly key level here. So let's just wait. So market is in this resistance. So this is the last break of structure. This is the break of structure. This is the resistance. So let's see if the market can come back to this FEG, continue the uptrend. If the market come back to this FEG, we are in uptrend. So this is what I'm seeing in the market. So kindly, if you want more of this is what we have today. Today is going to be a profitable and successful day for us, and we are going to succeed in this trading journey in any other skills we are doing. Peace and love. Have a successful day ahead, and have a profitable day ahead. If you want more of this, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the next video you are doing. Peace and love. Thanks.